How can we create a product using the same material as current industrial polyurethane foam that demonstrates better insulation properties without a long list of mechanical and environmental limitations? The simple answer is aerogel.
During the first few weeks of camp, we learned about the background of aerogel. We read research articles about the unique properties of aerogel and the many different types of it. The articles seemed overwhelming at first, but became easier to comprehend as we spent more time. As we read the research papers, we also discussed important points or any questions that we had. And with the help of our graduate assistant, we had a deeper understanding of aerogel and were ready to make our samples. We first observed our graduate student as she demonstrated the process of creating aerogel. As we got more comfortable, we started creating the samples on our own. Unfortunately, the process was not as easy as we thought, as some of our samples failed to form correctly or were different than we had planned. It started to feel quite repetitive as we found ourselves making more and more trips to the lab. But finally, we created a sample that possessed all the properties we were looking for, a highly porous, elastic aerogel.
But to make sure our sample was truly a better insulator than industrial foam, we cut our samples and took it to the mechanical laboratory to conduct a compression test using the instrument machine. Additionally, we conducted an acoustic test with our aerogel using the impedance tube, which is designed to measure the sound absorption coefficient of different materials.
What was most surprising, however, was the result of our thermal insulation test. When we placed both samples on a hot plate, the industrial foam was quick to burn, completely disintegrating in the heat. The results from these tests allowed us to confirm that our aerogel sample was a better insulator in all aspects compared to commercial foam. This is revolutionary for a number of industries and organizations like NASA, as our insulation leads to fuel efficiency and an increase in overall performance. Along with the scientific aspect, this camp has also provided us the opportunity to meet so many amazing people. From the weekly seminars where we heard firsthand from successful people in the industry, to our group lunches where we were able to interact with other students in the camp. This program has given us a chance to make new friends, experience working in a real lab setting, while also allowing us to research in a field we're both passionate about. We are so grateful to everyone at UTD and CASDEM for such an amazing experience.